Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I'm going to do this really easy hollow nail foil design. So I'm going to use this black polish by Kiss Core Express. I got that at the dollar store. And I'm going to use the glue for the foil. And I recently got this foil from Born Pretty. I just thought it was so pretty. Basically, it's a pretty hollow design. I've never seen one like that, so I wanted to use it. So I already painted my nails with the black polish. And I'm just going to apply the adhesive. Make sure that it's a thin coat. You don't want a thick coat of the adhesive because it'll take a longer time to dry. So I'm just showing you, it takes like a minute or so for it to dry, completely. But once it's done, you can add whatever foils you want to. As you can see, I cut a piece of the foil. It's much easier to work with. And I'm going to use my recently purchased silicone, uh, I guess, pusher or whatever onto it. And once I was done, I just removed the film from my nails and I applied a quick dry top coat. I told you, this is a really easy design, but I love the whole look of it. And I hope you did too. And here's the finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel to get updates when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.